Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Storkcraft Cribs is probably one of the most crucial investments new parents make, providing a safe and comfortable haven for their little one, and understanding the nuances of selecting the right parts ensures longevity, safety, and peace of mind as your child grows from infant to toddler. Number 5. Hiccapop Convertible Crib Bed Rail for Toddlers. Introducing the Hiccapop Convertible Crib Bed Rail. This essential safety guard is designed specifically for toddlers transitioning from a crib. It helps your little one move from their crib to a big kid bed with confidence. This rail provides a secure barrier, preventing accidental falls during sleep. Safety is paramount, and this rail delivers. It features a reinforced anchor system, ensuring it stays firmly in place. As a robust crib rail guard, it offers peace of mind for parents. You can trust it to keep them safe and sound throughout the night. Installation is straightforward, providing a secure fit without hassle. Its design ensures maximum protection for your child. Perfect for active toddlers, it provides the security they need as they grow. Give them the freedom to move while keeping them protected. Choose this rail for a worry-free sleep environment. It's the smart choice for your child's safety and your peace of mind. What we like. This rail is perfect for transitioning toddlers. Its reinforced anchor safety provides peace of mind, ensuring a secure sleep environment. If you're looking for a reliable and safe way to keep your little one in their bed, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Storkcraft Portofino 5-in-1 Convertible Crib and Changer. Introducing the Storkcraft Portofino, a truly versatile solution for your nursery. This innovative piece seamlessly transforms from a secure baby crib to a toddler bed, daybed, and even a full-size bed, adapting to every stage of your child's growth. It features an attached changing table, designed for ultimate convenience. With 3 enclosed drawers, 2 open shelves, and a water-resistant changing pad, all your essentials are always within reach. This crib is designed to adapt as your baby grows. It offers an adjustable mattress support base with 3 different height options, ensuring comfort and safety from infancy through their early years. Your child's safety is paramount. This product is GRNGURD Gold certified, meaning it's screened for harmful chemicals, and JPMA certified, meeting the highest safety standards for peace of mind. Crafted from sustainable New Zealand pine wood and engineered wood, it promises lasting durability. Its quality construction, including smooth Euro drawer glides, ensures a reliable and beautiful addition to your home. What we like. This versatile piece offers incredible long-term value. With its attached changing table and integrated storage, it streamlines your nursery setup. If you need a comprehensive solution that grows with your child from infancy to adulthood, this is the one for you. What people say. Number 3. Storkcraft Steveston 5-in-1 Convertible Crib and Changer. This versatile piece grows with your child. It transforms from a crib with an attached changing table into a toddler bed, daybed, and even a full-size bed. It adapts to every stage of their development. Rest assured knowing it's safe for your home. This product is screened for over 15,000 chemicals and VOCs, ensuring superior indoor air quality for your little one. Customize its setup for optimal comfort and safety. With 4 adjustable mattress height options, including a convenient newborn height, it perfectly accommodates your growing baby. Built to last, it features durable pine wood and wood composites. Its Euro drawer glides ensure smooth operation, reflecting generations of trusted design. From a brand with over 80 years of experience, you can trust its quality. Storkcraft has been a proud recipient of the parent-tested parent-approved seal of approval. It arrives safely, thanks to tested packaging designed to reduce damage. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This option prioritizes both safety and adaptability. Its GRNGURD Gold certification ensures a healthier indoor air environment for your baby. If you value superior air quality and a crib that adjusts perfectly to your child's growth stages, this is an ideal pick. What people say. Number 2. Multi-brand Crib and Bed Frame Screw Kit. This versatile kit provides essential hardware for assembling or repairing your bed frames and bunk beds. It includes a range of black hex socket cap bolts and matching barrel nuts, designed for a secure fit. You'll find 25 pieces each of M6 bolts in 5 different lengths, from 40mm to 80mm, along with 25mm 6-barrel nuts. This comprehensive set makes assembly straightforward for various furniture types. Each cross-dowel barrel nut features a 10mm height and 9.5mm width, with a standard M6 metric thread. The furniture bolts have a 12.5mm head diameter and 1/8-inch thickness, ensuring a snug and reliable connection. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel and zinc-plated, these components offer exceptional toughness and durability. They are designed to be anti-rust and maintain a good appearance, fastening your furniture very securely. To ensure a perfect fit and avoid returns, please measure your existing crib screws. While this kit includes 5 common sizes, it may not be universally compatible with all crib brands. We are committed to providing you with the best service possible. Should you encounter any issues with these units, please do not hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like. This kit is a lifesaver for repairs or assembly. It includes a variety of sizes, making it highly versatile for different furniture. If you're tackling a DIY project or need to replace lost crib hardware, this comprehensive set has you covered. What people say. Number 1. Storkcraft Equinox 3-in-1 Convertible Crib. This crib boasts clean lines and modern details, making it a versatile addition to any nursery. Its sophisticated style effortlessly complements various decor themes. Designed to adapt as your child grows, it easily transforms from a baby crib to a toddler bed and then a daybed. This ensures long-lasting utility for your family. With 4 adjustable mattress height options, it provides optimal safety and convenience for you and your baby. It's designed to fit any standard full-size crib mattress. This product is GRNGURD Gold certified, meaning it contributes to cleaner indoor air. It's screened for over 15,000 VOCs, ensuring a healthier environment for your little one. Independently tested and verified by the Baby Safety Alliance, it meets the highest safety standards. You can trust its quality and safety for your family's peace of mind. What we like. This crib offers a blend of style and peace of mind. Its clean, modern design seamlessly fits into any nursery aesthetic. If you appreciate contemporary looks and rigorously tested safety standards for your baby's sleep space, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.